Welcome to 6 Tones in Cantonese 5. Don't know how to speak Cantonese? You may be surprised to learn that you can sing it out. Let's explore the relationship between music and the language. Hello, I'm Hong. I'm a master of teaching Chinese as a foreign language. In this video, I will demonstrate the 6 tones and teach the pronunciation of tone 5. There are 3 fixed tones, 2 rising tones, and 1 dropping tones in Cantonese. The dark blue area represents tone 5, which we will discuss. But first, listen to the differences among the 6 tones in 4 examples. Si, 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 si. Yi, 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 yi. Fun, 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 fun. Wei, 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 wei. Tone 5 is a rising tone from the lowest to middle pitch. You can imagine that it as do, mi in the solfeggio music scale. Do, re, mi, do, mi. And yes, just like music, pitch is a ratio. The pitch varies from person to person. Now, it's your turn. Practice one more time. Good. Let's listen more tone 5 vocabulary. 有冇引誘網友母語以往每晚領養永遠 And now, listen and guess which is tone 5. A. Fu, fu. B. Fu, fu. C. Fu, fu. D. Fu, fu. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is C. Fu. A is tone 6. B is tone 2. C is tone 5. And D is tone 1. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. If you want me to check your tone pronunciation, you can send me your voice message on Threads or Instagram. Cantonese with Hong. I'm Hong. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and comment. It motivates me to create new videos. If you want to learn more Cantonese, subscribe for more Cantonese knowledge, poetry, and Hong Kong culture. See you in the next video. Thank you and bye-bye.